Sassy Squad, welcome back to a new video, or welcome to my channel. Right now me and Lucy are going to taste test these little sweets.
Here they are. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, it's so bright.
I thought they were chocolate.
I don't even know if they are chocolate.
No, don't taste it yet.
Oh, fine.
We'll just have to find out.
Okay.
We'll have to find out together. This will probably be like a short one. Don't taste. Lucy!
There was a piece of hair. So check it out.
Hard to get out. What was that? Did you eat yours?
No. She's having some addiction.
It's sticky. Okay. Alright.
Okay.
It's almost been a minute now. Alright.
Let's try it in three.
So, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
This was supposed to be our Christmas present.
Listen, bite it.
Don't know, this isn't an ASMR channel. So yeah, this is supposed to be a Christmas present from her, but we decided to do a taste test.
Thank you anyway. What even is this though?
Ew, that's a pencil. Oh wait, no it isn't. That is not a pencil.
Woo, woo, woo. Woo. What is that?
Okay, enough of that. Peace guys.
Love you guys.
Wait, I still have sweets in my bag.
Mommy? Aw, okay, then it's mine now.
No!
Well, let's take a TikTok of us doing the YouTube video. Ready? Ready? So we're gonna go.
Okay guys, this is too late.
Put that back in your mouth. Put that back in. Wait, let's make your hair hit me. Like, pretend it hits me. I think we just said that. Ready? Go. Go. Go.
Hershey's.
Oh, dang it.
No, place it at the top.
Did you hear that? Okay, go.
You can't just double tap, like.
Oh.
Go.
Go.
Oh my god.
I'll just pretend to be you. My hair went
In her eye.
in.
Alright, bye guys, I'm bored.
Yeah, bye.
Peace.
Love ya.
Peace,
Mwah.
Sausage Squad.
Bye.